Hey guys, Britt from Advance Early here. Today we're going to be talking about the Chargify Google Sheets add-on and kind of some of the things you can do with it and how to set it up. So to get started, we're going to assume you've already downloaded the add-on from the Google App Store. We're going to go down to our add-ons tab here. This shows all the add-ons I have, right? And we're going to go and hit start. When you hit start, it's going to run the script and pull up this nice Google sidebar or Sheets add-on, I guess. And we're going to need some information before we can actually pull information from Chargify's API. So the first thing we need is our API key. Second thing we'll need is our subdomain. This will authenticate us and allow us to pull information from Chargify. So I have my Chargify account open here. We're going to go grab our API key first. So we're going to copy this. And as you saw what I just did, right, you just simply use this dropdown and hit API access. So we have our API key. Now we're going to go to Chargify's Google Sheets add-on, copy and paste it in there, and then we're going to go to Chargify again and grab our subdomain. So we're going to select site, view all sites. So as you see, there's some sites here. I'm going to use this one because it's my test one. And we're going to copy and paste the subdomain. So your subdomain will be different, but we're just going to copy and paste it in. So now that we have our stuff in here, we're going to hit save. When we hit save, it's going to save those values to the Google user properties. So what that basically means is it's just going to store this. So next time you use this, you don't have to re-enter these. However, these fields will be blank for security purposes when you reopen this. So as you see, I've saved these. I'm going to exit and I'm going to go and start it again. So it's blank, but you'll notice if I hit get info, it's going to use those and still pull the information from the API. So what this basically means is as long as you don't save another value in here that's incorrect and not your API key or subdomain, you don't have to re-enter these, which is really nice, and it's stored in a nice secure location. So now as you see, we have some Chargify information here. My Chargify subdomain that I just pulled, or my Chargify site, has 28 subscriptions, plus the header, right, so that makes 29. And you'll see it has basic customer information, subscription ID, total revenue, status, product name, and of course the address of the customer for shipping purposes. So there's a million and one uses for this, but basically this will pull information really easily. You don't have to export a spreadsheet or do anything, like deleting a ton of columns you don't care about and stuff like that. However, if you want to get more precise, you can filter it by status as well. So let's see, I don't want to see anybody that's not an active subscription. So when I hit get info, it's going to go again and add on all my active subscriptions. So, if we started this originally, it would have just pulled the active ones. But if you want to get fresh spreadsheets, just simply clear out your spreadsheet, right? So this is what I usually do if I decide I want to filter it a little more. So you just clear the columns, and then we set it to active, and hit it get info. So there you go. That's basically all there is. We'll be adding more and more onto this add-on as time goes on, calling different APIs and so forth. But for now, this is what it does. If you have any questions about it, you can always contact us by emailing Britt@Advancearly.com. There'll be a link when you go to help, and it'll pull you to a page where you can ask us a question. So that's it. Thanks for watching.